Okay, how's it going, guys? So, today we're going to check out Carn Brea. Let's give this doggy a bit of space. Nice doggy. So Carn Brea, there is a couple of landmarks up here. You have Basset's Monument, which is erected for Francis Basset. It's that great big cross that we can see just up ahead of us. Then there's Carn Brea Castle, which I think is technically a folly, but it's called Carn Brea Castle, and it's now been made into a restaurant. Never eaten there, so don't ask me what the food's like. And there's a couple other little things up here that I've actually never found. I believe there's a cave called Smuggler's Cave, which is meant to have a great big cave system, which goes for miles apparently. I would imagine it's it's just, left over from some mining activity. I think it's been blocked off. I've never actually found the entrance, but we'll have a look for it today. I'll fly the drone around. It's a little bit breezy for drone action, but it should be okay. The traffic has been absolutely insane today, what with the G7 around the corner and it being summer holidays. But yeah, let's have a little ride up and down first, and then we'll have a walk around and see what we can see. So that's Basset's Monument up there, big Celtic cross. And then around the corner, oh, there's also the Cup and Saucer Rock as well, which is one of these big natural rocks. It's also called, it's also believed that there is sacrificing going on that rock. I think it's nonsense, but people do say that. I think it's probably that one there. And yeah, this is Carn Brea Castle just here. And we're pretty high, so you can pretty much see this from miles around, all the way around Cornwall. So it is like a proper landmark that sticks out like a sore thumb. So that's the castle. It's pretty cool the way it's built onto natural rock, directly onto it. So the natural rock forms part of the foundations. There you go, Carn Brea Castle restaurant. Very cool. Would like to go in for a meal one day. Let's go and park up, and then we'll have a little look around. But yeah, as you can probably tell from here, you can see for miles. You can see St Ives from here. You can see probably all the way up to like Perranporth or so, and then quite a lot of the south coast too. Anyway, let's find a little spot for my bike and we'll go and explore. So yeah, hopefully you can hear me over the wind, but yeah, you can really see for miles. You've got St Ives just over there, and then this must be Hale, Gwydion, and you got Camborne down here, I believe. But yeah, you can just see for miles. I'm not sure what that next peak is along. Maybe I'll look it up on the map. So yeah, the castle here, I'm standing up on this. I think this is the Cup and Saucer Rock. Maybe it's the one over there. I don't know. We'll go and check out both. But yeah, really nicely sort of weathered, formed, huge, great big slabs of rock up here. Just all poking out of the greenery and the flowers. It really is very pretty. Someone's doing some strumming down there, so hopefully you can hear me over that. There's the Basset's Monument. It really is very cool. Let's have a little look up here. Lovely spot. Lots of tin mines scattered around this whole area. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and of course that's the Great Flat Lode over there. That's why I've done lots of flying before, which is pretty epic. Huge old tin mine. So yeah, kind of surrounded by Cornish history. There we go. Right, I think we'll walk up to the monument, and then I'll do a little bit of flying of the drone, so we can get a good look. Actually, we'll go and have a quick look at the castle first. But yeah, they're doing some streaming over there at the moment, so audio is not going to be great. Let's go and have a quick look at that first, because it's closest. Well, this stuff is great, where you can just see straight through the foundations. Hopefully, am I allowed down here? Looks like lots of people walked around this way, so I'm guessing so. Very cool indeed. Yeah, I don't know what the restaurant's like here. I think it's changed hands quite a few times, so I'm not actually sure. But yeah, look, it's just all just directly built onto the rock, the natural rock. It's a heck of a thing. Let's go over there, have a look at it from a slight distance. Nice little church just down here too. So there we go, Carn Brea Castle. I'm not sure the exact age, I'll put that on the screen now, but it's obviously been totally overhauled a few times. I think it was an Indian restaurant for quite a while, or Middle Eastern. Quite curious about what it is now. I'll see if there's a menu outside. Oh, there we go. Hummus, baba ganoush, steak, shish kebab. Yep. That sounds Middle Eastern to me. Anyway, let's go and have a look at the monument. Okay, let's have a little fly around. There's Basset Monument in all its glory. Typically the sun has just gone in. I'm actually sat on the Cup and Saucer rock, which is this one just here. Oh, the sun's come out now. Let's have another look. But yeah, you can see for miles, look, that's St. Ives right in the distance there. And then you've got the south coast over there, north coast over there. Let's go a little bit further this way. Oh, there's a little pond over there too. Mini lake. Let's do a sweep past the monument. Come on, son. You can do it. It is very cool. Old Celtic cross. Little pigeon there landing. And let's swoop down to the castle. The sun is everywhere, but where I want it to be. There we go. Looks pretty cool, I think you will agree. Looks like something from a fantasy book, definitely. You can imagine Lord of the Rings characters chilling in that before a big battle. And yeah, like I said, there's tin mines all over the place around here. And I think we have Camborne and Redruth. Get a bit more height. And then right the way down to St. Ives, you can see there, just sticking out into the sea. One big cloud sitting over us. The rest of Cornwall is looking glorious. Do a little swoop. Very cool. See where there's a lightning rod running right the way down it. Obviously being one of the highest points around and that great thing sticking out, obviously you get struck by lightning now and again. Still not sure where that Smuggler's Cave is. According to the map it's somewhere around here. I'll be darned if I can see it. Yeah, somewhere around there. Either way, oh look, now we've got beautiful sunlight. That looks better, doesn't it? A bit more definition. Very cool. Yeah, and this is the Cup and Saucer Rock that I'm sat on down here. Where they reckon there were sacrifices and things, right where my feet are. But I don't buy it. I think that's nonsense. At least I hope so. I don't like the idea of my feet being in where lots of blood's been. Okay, there we go. Let's look at Basset Monument and Carn Brea Castle. It's quite a cool little spot. I'm going to land on this little tuft of grass. I'm upside down. So much for my landing skills. Anyway, there you go. That's a little look at all of this. Turtle mode is needed for the drone. Anyway, so that's a little look at Basset's Monument. Basset Monument, I should say. I keep calling it Basset's Monument. And yeah, really is a very cool little spot. And I think it's high time I had lunch. But I don't think the castle's open just yet. Never mind. Sausage roll it's going to have to be instead. A veggie one. Right guys, catch you later. Hope that was interesting. A little look at Carn Brea, Basset Monument and Carn Brea Castle. See you later.